Very good. Rohit, can you hear me properly? Yes, very good. So, students, now again, this is my accountancy class. As earlier I have told you that in this class we will discuss a proper information about this subject. That subject is accountancy. Clear? Yes, I'm audible to you. My voice is very good. Okay, wait, one more student is there, Mohal. Let me add you. Just wait. Okay, very good. So, students, this class, this second lesson, that is for your competency subject. Now, I am going to some information about this subject. That what is accountancy? Why we have to study about this subject, and why it is a very important as compared to sorry, very important as compared to other subjects, but it doesn't mean that other subjects are not important, but this subject is the primary being of your career. यानी कि अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप लाइफ में कुछ अचीवमेंट चाहते हो, बट अकाउंट्स इज रिक्वायर्ड इन दिस फील्ड. Without accountancy, the scope of commerce is very difficult. So you know that as a businessman point of view, as a salaried person, as an employee point of view, we have to properly understand that why we have to read this subject, accountancy. Now I am going to give some information about the books that you must have to purchase for this subject. First, a book that is compulsory one for everyone, that is NCERT books for your accountancy. Okay, we are having I think two books, part 1 and part 2. Okay, that is compulsory for everyone. And next thing, another book that is a double entry bookkeeping, which is published by Sultan Chand Publishers. Clear? So these books that you have to purchase for your accountancy subject.
Sir, please repeat second book name.
Sorry, Rohit, what you are saying?
Sir, repeat the second book name.
Double entry book by Sultan Chand Publishers. Okay, don't worry, you will get a proper site. Mr. Rom, switch on your camera, and I think you are outside somewhere. Okay, Raghunandan Tadwal. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
How are you, Raghunandan? Okay, Raghunandan, I think you are not present in business studies class. Is there any something reason, genuine reason?
Sir, yes.
Why?
और लिंक नहीं मिले थे.
आपको मिला नहीं था? Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, just wait. I am marking your attendance. Then after that, we will continue this topic. So, students, now I am going to give some introduction about your this subject, that is accountancy. तो आप बड़े ध्यान से सुनना कि why we have to read this subject. Okay, as we know that we are having a very important sectors in our life. That sector is known as this thing. अगर आपको मैं बताता हूँ this one, you can see this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. पैसे.
Yes, money. So account is purely based on your money. Okay. In accountancy, we have to record every transactions, but which type of transaction which are related with money. अगर हम बात करें कि भाई गुरप्रीत सिंह इज अ वेरी ऑनेस्ट बॉय, तो ये हमारे अकाउंट्स का पार्ट नहीं है भाई, ये हमारा एक वेलफेयर का पार्ट. क्लियर? अगर हम कहेंगे भाई गुरप्रीत हैज स्कोर्ड, Gurpreet has earned a salary of 1 lakh rupees per month, so that 1 lakh rupees is treated as accountancy. Clear? यानी कि हम अगर अकाउंट्स की बात करें बेटा कि अगर कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन होगी जो हमारे पैसे से रिलेटेड होगी, उसी ट्रांजैक्शंस को हमने रिकॉर्ड करना है. क्लियर हो गया बच्चे? ये मेरा सिंपल पॉइंट आपको. Okay, without wasting any time, today we are going to discuss the first chapter of your accountancy subject. Because accounts, by step, you will get a proper information that why we have to do this thing. Okay, you know that you have to purchase a books, NCERT books as well as Chanchal publisher book as soon as possible, so that we can properly understand that why we are in this field, what we have to learn in this field. तो यहाँ पे टाइम कम से कम आपने वेस्ट करना है. और बेटा जी एक बड़ी सिंपल एग्जांपल और बड़ी सिंपल आपको मैं डाउट क्लियर करता हूँ. अगर आपको कभी भी कोई डाउट लगता है, then you can contact me on my number, and within few minutes or few hours I will share my number in your group, in your respective personal WhatsApp number. Okay, and that number will be shared by your class in charge. Clear? Okay, तो आज हमारा चैप्टर जो है बेटा वो है हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन टू अकाउंट्स. तो हमारे इस चैप्टर की हम अगर बात करेंगे, इंट्रोडक्शन की बात करेंगे. Introduction. So, if I am talking about the introduction of this concept, introduction of your accounting. यहाँ पे इस चैप्टर में हमने काफी कुछ लर्न करना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज अकाउंटिंग, अकाउंटिंग है क्या, अकाउंटिंग से रिलेटेड कुछ अदर टर्म्स उसको भी हमने प्रॉपर्ली अंडरस्टैंड करना है, जो सुनने में अकाउंट्स की तरह लगे बट द मीनिंग इज डिफरेंट. ओके, आफ्टर दैट देयर इज सम रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन दीस टर्म्स. वो जो टर्म्स होंगी उसमें आपने डिफरेंस क्लियर करना है. देन हाउ व्हाट आर द मेन एडवांटेजेस और लिमिटेशंस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग. तो ये भी एक बड़ा अच्छा टॉपिक है अकाउंट से रिलेटेड. आफ्टर दैट some accounting terms, a basic accounting terms, very important things. ये basic terms जो होंगी जो आपको help करेंगी that what are the types of these commodities. यानी कि अगर बात करें भाई ये फैन है, ये किस कैटेगरी में आएगा, पैसा किस कैटेगरी में आएगा, एक ऐसा इंडिविजुअल जिससे आपने उधार लेना है वो किस कैटेगरी में आएगा. So that is a very important role which are required in this field. Clear? So students, first of all I am giving the information about accounting. Okay, just wait, maybe software is downloaded, I will share something with you. Just wait for 1 minute. Yes students, I think just wait. Yes, now you can see this page or not. Yes, very good. So students, now in this page you can check here first of all the meaning and definitions of accounting. Clear? Is it visible to everyone? Very good. So accounting, that is a very systematic process of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing and interpreting. So very important words. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिकॉर्डिंग. तो यहाँ पे आपने बेटा क्या करना है, अकाउंट्स है क्या चीज, दैट यू हैव टू रिकॉर्ड समथिंग. यू हैव टू रिकॉर्ड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग एंड देन क्लासिफाई. क्लासिफाइंग मींस कैटेगराइज. ओके, कैटेगराइज ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन अ सिस्टमैटिक वे. देन समराइजिंग, आपने उसको समराइज करना है यानी कि एक्सप्लेन करना है दैट व्हाई वी आर रिकॉर्डिंग दिस ट्रांजैक्शन इन दिस एरिया. भाई अगर मैं आपसे बड़ा सिंपल बात आपसे शेयर करता हूँ, इसको अगर हम प्रैक्टिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपको समझना है कि भाई रिकॉर्डिंग आप रिकॉर्ड कर लोगे, मेरे पास इतना पैसा पड़ा है मेरे वॉलेट में. क्लासिफाई करोगे इसमें 500 का नोट कौन सा है, 1000 का नोट कौन सा है, 200 रुपए का नोट कौन सा है, ये एक मनी की कैटेगरी है. देन समराइजिंग, हाउ विल वी यू अरेंज दीस थिंग्स इन अ सिस्टमैटिक वे. देन एनालाइजिंग, दैट अगर मैं इसको एनालाइज कर रहा हूँ दैट व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट और इंटरप्रेट, यानी कि इसको फाइनली यूटिलाइजेशन आपने कहाँ करना. बट वंस अगेन जस्ट वेट. यस, accounting is a systematic process of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing and interpreting the financial transactions. यानी कि वही ट्रांजैक्शन रिकॉर्ड करोगे which are related with your money. Clear? जैसे मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले गुरप्रीत की एग्जांपल ली थी ना, गुरप्रीत इज अ ऑनेस्ट पर्सन, तो अकाउंट्स में ऐसी ट्रांजैक्शन रिकॉर्ड नहीं होती. ये लाइक आई एम अ वेरी गुड बॉय, आई एम अ वेरी गुड गर्ल, these things are not matter in this field, in the field of accountancy. Okay, we just have to record only that transactions which are related with your financial point of view. And then after that, जब आप बेटा इंटरप्रेट करते हो फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शंस को, देन फाइनली कम्युनिकेट द रिजल्ट टू द यूजर्स. ये यूजर्स कौन हो सकते हैं? आपकी मैनेजमेंट, आपके कस्टमर्स. ओके, so these are, they are some users in this field. Clear? Okay, anything that you want to share with me? Is it clear? A very simple meaning of accounting. Yes, anyone? Very good. Okay, so next is the users of accounting information includes owners, creditors, banks and financial institution, employees, government. ये सारे के सारे हमारे यूजर्स होते हैं जो हमारी अकाउंट्स की इंफॉर्मेशन को यूटिलाइज करते हैं. Clear? Then finally it gives the information about what are the resources available, what are the various types of things that are included in our business organization. So through accounting we can get a proper information. Okay, so that is the thing accounts. यानी कि अगर मैं बात करूं कि आपने क्लासिफाई किया हर चीज को, हर कैटेगराइज को आपने कर दिया. नाउ यू कैन कम टू नो दैट हाउ वी कैन यूटिलाइज ऑल दीस थिंग्स. अगर एक बिजनेस की बात करें, उसको पता है कि मेरे बिजनेस में ये सब कुछ पड़ा हुआ है. भाई मेरे पास इतना फर्नीचर है, मेरे पास इतने रॉ मटेरियल है. मेरे पास रॉ मटेरियल होता है प्रोडक्शन, जिस प्रोडक्ट से हम प्रोडक्शन करते हैं. क्लियर? वो होता है एक रॉ मटेरियल. आप उस रॉ मटेरियल को जो भी आप अरेंज करते हो, आपके पास कितने एम्प्लॉइज हैं, आपके पास कितना भी रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल होगा, तो बहुत सारी चीजें डिफाइन करती है अकाउंट्स को. सो क्लियर? So that means account is a process which we can record each and everything in a systematic way. But with the help of all these information, we can arrange all the resources in a systematic way, or we can utilize each and everything at a right place. Clear? इसकी अकाउंट्स की का एग्जांपल थोड़ा सा बात. अकाउंट्स में बेटा हमारे क्या होगा? फॉर एग्जांपल आपके पास 50 लाख रुपीस है. बड़े ध्यान से सुनना, ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जांपल है. एक 50 लाख रुपीस को आपने यूटिलाइज करना अपने बिजनेस में. आप कौन से ऐसे अल्टरनेटिव फाइंड आउट करोगे? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट ऑल दोस अल्टरनेटिव्स. दैट हाउ विल यू इन्वेस्ट दोस 50 लाख रुपीस? बाय इन्वेस्टिंग दैट मनी यू कैन गेट अ बेस्ट एडवांटेज. यानी कि फॉर एग्जांपल आज आप 2 लाख रुपीस इन्वेस्ट करोगे, दैट आफ्टर सम टाइम हाउ विल यू अर्न, हाउ मच मनी दैट यू विल अर्न टू दैट 50 lakh. Okay, that is accounting. So accounts will help us. What it will help? It shows the profit. It shows the profit earned or loss incurred during the accounting period. So accounting period, a very important thing. Do you know what is accounting period? Yes, anyone? Do you know what is accounting period? Any one of you? Yes, anyone? No? Okay, so please see this. What is the accounting period? As you know that we are talking about calendar period. Okay? हमारा जो कैलेंडर पीरियड होता है वो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 Jan. ओके, अगर हम इस कैलेंडर ईयर की बात करें, हमारा कैलेंडर ईयर कब स्टार्ट हुआ? 1 Jan 2020. क्लियर ना? दैट इज आवर कैलेंडर पीरियड. हमारा जैन का फर्स्ट डे होगा और लास्ट डेट कौन सी होगी हमारी? 31 दिसंबर 2021. ठीक है? That is our calendar period. Is it clear, everyone? Yes? Very good. Next thing, if I am talking about your accounting period, okay? Now listen very carefully. Your accounting period is also known by your financial year, financial period. हम इसको इस नाम से भी जानते हैं. That is starting from 1 from 1st April. Is it clear? By every year, अगर हम बात करें कि 2021-22 का फाइनेंशियल ईयर पीरियड क्या होगा, तो वो स्टार्ट होगा 1st April 2021 से, and that will be completed at 31st December, 31st March 2021. Clear? Yes, is it clear? Okay, बच्चे? Gurpreet, Rohit. Yes, Rohit, is it clear to you? So students, anything that you want to share with me? Till now, any doubt, anyone? Yes, anyone, any doubt?
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
Yes, Gurpreet.
सर ये अकाउंटिंग पीरियड 1 मई से क्यों स्टार्ट होता है?
Okay, because as per our taxation point of view, as per our accounting rules, we have to start counting transaction from 1st of April for every year. Okay, ये हमारा अकाउंट्स का रूल है। ठीक है बच्चे, गुड। और एनीथिंग एल्स? यस, एनीवन बेटा?
Sir,
Yes,
sir, I wanted to share that one of my cousin is a banker, and I've seen that he's quite busy around 31st March,
yeah.
in bank. So that can be linked with this, right?
Yes. And the reason behind a very good question, Push, very good. Let me explain you why the banking sector is very busy in last days of the financial years. Because at the end of the financial year, here you can see that the 1st of March 2021, every banking sector have to close their accounts. They have to settle their accounts. They have to report all these accounts to the RBI. That we have done these things in this year. We have earned this profit, we have earned these losses. Okay, these are our liabilities, these are our loans, these are our proper incomes, these are our staff members. यानी कि साल के एंड तक उन्होंने ये रिपोर्ट अपनी फर्दर हायर अथॉरिटी को सबमिट करनी। So that's why all the banking sector are quite busy during these days. Even from these day 31st March, then 1st April, then 2nd April, the banking sector is completely closed for the customers. वहाँ पे close होता है, customer कोई भी transaction during that day कर नहीं सकते. Okay, same like the business, they have to settle their accounts. They have to find out whether they have earned a profit or loss during this time period, starting from 1st April and ending with 31st March. Okay, clear? Yes, Kohal, बेटा समझ आ गए बच्चे? Rohit?
Yes.
Very nice. So once again, I am going to share my screen with you. Just wait. Okay, now. So now students, see this line. It shows the profit earned and loss during the accounting period and value of your nature of assets, liabilities and equity capital. These are the very important terms. Assets, liabilities, equity liabilities. Okay. But in further, we will discuss all these things in a detail or in a systematic way. Okay. So don't worry. This is just a part of an introduction that just a meaning of accounts is there. Now, next line, since the accounting is a medium of communication, so it is called a language of business. अगर हम बिजनेस की बात करें ना, बिजनेस की एक लैंग्वेज होती है अकाउंट्स. अकाउंट्स हमें हेल्प करता है कि बिजनेस की फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन बताता है कि हमारे बिजनेस को प्रॉफिट हुआ या हमारे बिजनेस को लॉस हुआ. ओके, तो ये बिजनेस की लैंग्वेज है. क्लियर? Now, according to American Institution of Certified Public Accountants, accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing. The same line that has been we have earlier discussed in this way. Okay, यहाँ पे आप check कर सकते हो. The same thing. Okay, but a little bit language is different. Accounting is the art of recording or classifying and summarizing into significant manner. So in terms of money, so transaction and events which are the part at least of the financial characters. A very simple meaning. All these information that you have to record, you have to classify, then summarize. Okay, but only in the terms of money. यहाँ पे सिर्फ पैसे को ही आप डिफाइन करोगे ये पैसा किस पर्पस के लिए आप यूज कर रहे हैं, and the transactions and the events which are a part of at least of a financial character and interpret the result therefore. Clear? A very simple line. यानी वही जो अकाउंट्स की जितनी भी ट्रांजैक्शन होगी आपने प्रॉपर सिस्टमैटिक बेसिस पर रिकॉर्ड किया, बट वो मनी से रिलेटेड होनी चाहिए. विदाउट मनी वी कांट रिकॉर्ड एनी ट्रांजैक्शन. क्लियर बेटा? Yes. Very nice. Okay. Now, next thing, the characteristics of accounts. Now, students, the first characteristic, identification of financial transactions. A very simple line. अगर हमने definition में अभी find out किया था, that we have to record only those transactions which we can define in the terms of, yes, in terms of
in monetary terms.
yes, in monetary terms. Okay, so first characteristics of accounts. Second, measuring the identified transactions. So financial transaction event measured in the terms of money and event which cannot be measured in the terms are not recorded in the books of account. Now, very simply, for example, event like a caliber or the quality of a management, we can't find out. मैं ये नहीं कह सकता भाई इस बंदे की ईमानदारी 10 किलो है या फिर इस बंदे की ईमानदारी भाई 100% है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. We can't find out these things in the terms of numbers. Clear? The thing which you can't find out in the terms of numbers that will not be recorded in accounting. Third one is recording. Account is an art of recording the business transaction in the books of accounts. So, process of recording the business transaction of financial character that are in terms of money, that is original, that is journal. अब ये journal जो word है बेटा, journal. Journal is a very important thing where you have to define the right entry for each and every aspect. You have to record like this way. For example, I am telling you, where is your hometown? And you will say that is the Tua, Tanda, yes or no? Okay? The same way in journal, we have to define this thing that where we have to record this thing. The right place of each and every transaction. That is journal. Okay? Clear, beta? Yes, is it clear to everyone?
Sir, then what is the difference between journal book and the cash book?
Okay, cash book is only the part of that thing where we only have to record cash transactions only. Okay, but there are some transactions like on the basis of credit terms, like for example, you have purchased the goods from your from a seller, but on that thing you have not made any payment. So inside cash book, that transaction will not be recorded. Clear? Yes, Push, is it clear to you? Just wait. Okay, students, any more doubt? Anyone? Yes, anyone? Any doubt? Now next thing, I think there's some technical issue. Just wait. Just wait. I think maybe some technical issue. I think the technical issue will be resolved within few seconds. But before that, if you want to say anything, student, then please let me know that is there any doubt or anything that you want to share with me till now regarding any doubt in this topic. Any one of you? Yes. Now I think you can see this screen. Is it visible to anyone? Yes. Okay, students. So after recording, next concept is classification. Now classification is the process of grouping transactions or journal entries. अब हम जनरल एंट्री में क्या करते हैं, सारी की सारी ट्रांजैक्शन एक ही फॉर्मेट में हम रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. ओके, लाइक ट्रांजैक्शन नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 to 10 to 20 ट्रांजैक्शन 50 ट्रांजैक्शन लाइक दिस वे. यानी कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं आपको ये पेपर शो कर रहा हूं आपके सामने इन दिस स्क्रीन, आप चेक कीजिएगा एक सेकंड. दिस वन, this paper that is properly visible to you. Okay, so in this paper, like for example, all the transactions are recorded in a systematic way. Is it clear? But next concept, that is classification. So classification में क्या difference आएगा बेटा कि like you can say that जैसे आपको मैं यहाँ पे एक explain करता हूँ, यहाँ check कर लीजिए. One nature of one place. This transaction is the journal or the subsidiary books are classified then main books that is known as ledger. यानी कि जब आप, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, in these journal entries you have recorded 50 transactions. But now after these transactions you have categorized every transaction for a systematic way which is related with particular field. Like for example, if I am going to tell you कॉमर्स में हमारे पास बेटा क्या होते हैं, मेन 5 सब्जेक्ट, उन पांचों के बारे में डीपली आप पढ़ लीजिए. बट सेपरेटली फॉर एवरी सब्जेक्ट यू आर हैविंग अ डिफरेंट लेसन. क्लियर? इन द सेम वे जनरल हमारा एक प्रॉपर कांसेप्ट है. अब फर्दर उसके सब पार्ट जब हमने क्या करना है, 50 ट्रांजैक्शन को कैटेगराइज करना है, कैटेगरी 1 2 3 4 एंड 5, जितने भी हमारे पास कैटेगरी होगी, 10 होगी 20 होगी, आपने उन सभी कैटेगरी को प्रॉपर्ली डिफाइन करना है. लेजर, लेजर एक तरह का हमारा अकाउंट होता है कि जिसमें आपने डिफाइन करना है भाई ये सिर्फ सैलरी का अकाउंट है तो इसमें सिर्फ सैलरी आएगी. ये एक फर्नीचर का अकाउंट है तो इसमें सिर्फ फर्नीचर आएगा. ओके, तो यानी कि जो फर्नीचर की ट्रांजैक्शन होगी वो फर्नीचर में जाएंगी, जो सैलरी की ट्रांजैक्शन है वो सैलरी में जाएगी. क्लियर हो गया बच्चे? दैट इज लेजर. Now summarizing, this involves presenting the classified data in a manner which is understandable. तो यानी कि आपने डाटा को इस तरह से डिफाइन करना that can be easily understandable or useful for the internal users as well as for external users. दोनों के लिए वो बेनिफिट होना चाहिए. Okay, internal users who are working inside a company. External who are like a customer, they are not working for a company but they are treated as a customer and supplier like this. Clear beta? Hello Nikita, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
Yes Nikita, I think you have got a link, not a proper time, huh? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. The network issue was there. I was not able to connect.
Okay. Okay, Nikita, don't worry. I think we have wind up this session. We are now going to wind up this session. Okay, but we are having some few minutes, so don't worry. We will just define you that what we have done here. Okay, so just a small recapitulation of this subject. Today we have started a first subject, a first chapter of this subject, that is Introduction to Accounting. Okay, but before that, as a part of the accounts teacher, you have purchased two books. One is NCRT and second one book by Sultan Chand publisher. Clear? Okay, so please purchase these books as soon as possible without wasting any time. And from tomorrow onward, we will continue our chapters in a systematic way. So today we are just giving some introduction to you. Okay, today we have done a small introduction about your accounts. मैं आपको बेटा वैसे मैंने सभी बच्चों को क्लियर किया बट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ यू ओके हम ये चैप्टर को थोड़ा सा रिकैपिटुलेट करते हैं ताकि बाकी बच्चों की भी प्रिपरेशन हो प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा yes please switch on your camera yes Nikita can you hear me I think she left I think okay students I think Nikita maybe she has some network issue okay so don't worry I am just going to do her okay students so once again let's come to the point number 5 because Nikita is not here so we will continue this last point so summarizing it means that we have to properly understand each and every information अगर मैं बोलूँ कि आपने जो भी information report की that you have to report in a systematic यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं कि आपने फॉर एग्जांपल एक ट्रांजैक्शन एक जगह पे रिपोर्ट करी दूसरी कहीं और करी जो दोनों ट्रांजैक्शन एक जैसी थी जो ट्रांजैक्शन एक जैसी है वो एक ही जगह पे है अगर सैलरी की बात की सैलरी की सारी एक जगह ट्रांजैक्शन फॉर द पॉइंट ऑफ पेमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रिसीविंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एनीथिंग एल्स like furniture point of view all the transactions which are related to furniture whether it is for the sale purpose or purchase of furniture sale of furniture तो वो furniture के count में जाएगा clear so but that information that must be very useful for internal as well as the external users यानी business के अंदर जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं वो internal and the person who are working outside the business who are related with the business but at external point of view like customers so they are external users clear is it clear so under this you have to prepare such account trading profit and loss account and profit and loss in the case of company like this balance sheet are to be prepared so these are correctly known as final accounts or financial statement ये हमारा एक फुल फ्लेज चैप्टर आपको मिलेगा जहां पे आपने ये चैप्टर कवर करना है which carry at least 14 marks for your finals. ये दो चैप्टर जो आपको फाइनल्स के लिए 14 मार्क्स कवर करने में हेल्प करेंगे क्लियर होगा बेटा
Sir yes so that information can also be there in the form of graph as well right
ग्राफिकली यू कैन एक्सेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जब आप स्टैट करोगे वो वहां पे जाता है बेटा नोट इन अकाउंटेंसी we are having some accounts that is like a graphical presentation but you have to record all the transactions okay like in a tabular view clear so students thank you so much and have a nice day everyone